I don't know. Things are looking pretty bad out there. Bitcoin about to test support at 105. You got Fed rate cuts that may not even happen now in December. You got Trump and Xi shaking hands, but no deal for China. You got all-time low volume and ETH and base, and also freaking BNB was once the darling of this bull run is now looking like a complete scam fest. Stare. I'm never going to go. Listen, guys, I want to talk to you about the crypto market. What is going on right now? Are we in a bear market? I am getting this question all the time, the last few days especially. Some analysts are saying that the market's already topped. Benjamin Cowan said, hey, listen, this bull run is mirroring the 2017 bull run where altcoins never took off. It was just Bitcoin and a few other coins. Even Tom Lee is kind of backing off from his Ethereum to 12 to 15,000 by the end of the Q4. He's kind of, now he's saying, Ethereum's it's kind of a long-term deal now. And as I record this video, $570 million worth of longs liquidated out of the market. Oh my goodness. Listen, I've told myself for the last, couple months. Actually, no, I've been talking about this since May. The 50-week EMA. We fall below that. Bitcoin falls below that. We are in a bear market. It hasn't happened yet. But my goodness. Each week that goes by, the EMA creeps up. Beginning of the summer, it was around 90,000 or something like that. It was the trend line. Now it's at like 101 ish. Bitcoin's at 106. Damn. What's the worst that can happen though? Bitcoin probably falls maybe 40%, which is half of what it did last cycle, right? We get to have a bottoming, bear market to where we can all regroup and we can all pick our favorite altcoins and get ready for another meme season and 20 forever. I don't even know when next. But folks are so pissed, man. They're like, when's alt season? Is that just never going to happen, Stayer? Is that just, are we just a let go of everything and just say, see you next year? Or, what's going on? And to that, I say, what I'm going to do. This channel has always been about what I'm doing. And you guys can, take it or leave it, or, make your assumptions based off that, or not financial advice, right? Well, what I am doing is I'm going to do this. I'm going to sit on my fucking hands. I am not going. I'm never going to go. And that is one of the, I know I got a huge bare hand. I know. Bare hand. People say I got huge hands. This is, for me, the bread and butter of being in crypto, is never leaving the market. And what do I mean by that? Let me back up. What do I mean by that, right? I don't mean being in every meme coin and just sitting there and getting crushed, or being in every altcoin and sitting there and getting crushed, or doing a high leverage shorts or high leverage longs, trying to catch a wave in this market. I'm not saying that at all. That is not what I'm saying. What I am saying is chilling, watching how the market behaves, having some simple indicators, like I mentioned, the 50-week EMA for me. I'm simply watching that. Shout out to Crypto Gains. He watches the Gaussian channel. And if it falls below the Gaussian channel, then he's out. Again, I think Ben Cowan looks at the 50-week EMA. I have to say that I am partly upset that there's no altcoin season happening, but I'm also partly happy that it's not happening, because I get to see the market perform in yet another way. I am learning more and more every single day, and I get to have incredible low prices to get into these altcoins, especially the majors, especially the Avalanches, the Solanas, the Suis, even ETH, the top 20s, even near protocol, render, AI stuff. I get to get in on the bottom of those coins, okay, where it's not going to take much to get mega gains here coming up. And you have to understand, the market will swing back up to the upside. And the way to win in this market is to be entrenched during these times, not to be perturbed, not to be down, not to be, distraught, not to be discouraged. You need to be sitting here, eyes glued to this market, and look at it from a objective standpoint. Okay? Look at it as if it's a game. Look at it as if it's a incredible movie that is so entertaining. You just gotta relax, okay? And that's what I'm doing. So I'll leave you with this. This is gonna be a quick video. I'll leave you with this: is that most bull runs, actually all of them, there's never been a time where we got to call the top, where we got to say, "Oh, that's it. This looks like it's done." It's never been that way. It's always ended on a euphoric ride to where everybody thought it would last forever. Last bull run was like that. The one before that. I am sitting here thinking that the fact that I even have to make this video tells me that there's a lot more to come. There is a lot more to come. And so what I am doing is grabbing little pieces every single day of the majors, and I am dropping little nuggets into the meme coins that I think are going to pop off in the next few months, where I can grab 1 or 2% for nothing because people have forgotten these coins, and I am going to profit heavy later. I just have to be patient. So, and so do you. Because if you're the type to leave the market and come back when it's hot, guess what? Your exit liquidity, you're going to get dumped on. After making maybe a 2x or a 3x, you will get dumped on. Everybody else that stayed here will be exiting when you're entering, and you will hate crypto even more than you do right now. So just remember that, okay? Like and subscribe. Get into my rooms on Telegram. The link's in the description. Let's go. Let's stay out.